Okay. Okay, if you guys want to print this out, that's great, but you really probably don't need this for today because we're really only going to be working on translating horizontally, which is left to right, and translating vertically, which is up or down. So you really only need these two steps. There is a question on the exit slip about having a negative in front of the value, and that will cause a reflection. So there is a question that says, what does a negative in front do? Remember, the negative causes your graph to flip or reflect. Okay, so real quick, I'm gonna show you just the two basic things you're gonna do for homework today. This shape of this graph, it's in the video that the other guy did, not my video, but the other one. He talks about the basic shape of a cube root function graph, so you'll see that. So remember, if it has a cube root out here, the reason these values look like this is if I put in the perfect cube of 8, that's 2, at 8 is 2, remember 1, 1, 0, 0, negative 1, and negative 8. So you'll see that in your video. But that's your basic shape. So I'm gonna show you how to do this without making any sort of chart, which I think you'll kind of like that. Okay, the first page of your homework. The numbers are underneath the radicals. That means it's a horizontal. So this is horizontal translation. And the weird thing with the horizontal translation, it's the opposite. So instead of going right one like you would think, because it's plus 1, you go negative 1, and then that's going to be your first dot. Now, the shape of your graph's always the same. You go out 1 and up 1, and down 1 and over 1 in each direction. That's going to be your first set of points. Okay, then you're going to go from that moved point, you're going to go over 8, and you're going to go up 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and up 2. And then go back to that moved point. Remember, that was your center point. You're going to go down 2 and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you can go ahead and just sketch that graph right in there, okay? So remember, you got to go to your first point. So for this one, see how that's a minus right there? That means I'm going to go to the right 3. And then remember, it's out 1 and down 1. And then go back to that moved point, and you're going to go over 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And up 2. So you're a little off the graph. No big deal. These are just sketches. So go back to your center point, though. That's the one that just slid over. And then you go down 2 and back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then just sketch those in like that, okay? So then you're gonna try these two, and that you should be able to follow that example. The second page is going to cause these to move up or down. So with vertical translations, you're just gonna move that center point up or down, and this you actually do what's there. So since that's a positive 2, you're gonna go up 2. 1, 2. Okay, now it's gonna have that same basic shape. Out 1, up 1 going this way, down 1, back 1 going that way. Go back to that center point. You're going to go over 8, and you're going to go up 2. And you're also going to go down 2, and you're going to go back 8 this way. And then you're going to sketch that in. So hopefully you guys can work through that. After the videos, I hope you understand it. Have a great weekend, and no homework tomorrow or Monday. Happy Easter if you celebrate. If not, just enjoy a wonderful long weekend. Bye, guys. I miss you.